Hey, my lovely Leos, welcome to my channel Sharks Dot. Guys, I heartily welcome each and everybody here over this channel. And this particular reading, guys, is all about your individual, your person you are dealing with here, Leos. We are gonna look up at what are the instances they are with, what are the words and the sentences they want to deliver it to you, and what is exactly the feeling of your individual Leos. Let's see what are the small things happening with them, and they're just not able to tell it to you. If you want to know totally about their part, I think this reading is for you people leaves. Okay, we're gonna look up at the tarot cards. We're gonna use some love cards and love messages, and at the end the oracle guidances for you people. I just hope and believe that this readings, being the general readings, resonates with you. Try to take what resonates and leave the rest, guys. So, Leos, coming to the tarot cards, we have the Moon here, Justice, Nine of Cups are here, the Hierophant is here with the Queen of Wands. Now, okay. So, Leos, I would say one thing that the person you are dealing with here is definitely, I think, finding a lot of deceptive energies around them. There's a huge emotional time, emotional traumas they are going with, and they are still healing because they do not trust anymore. And it's become an a kind of a nature of this individual that they need to figure out things, they need to find balance into their life first, exactly with what individual they are with. So, this kind of deepening a relationship into the biggest, I think, commitment is what they are wanting from you. They want you to make you feel secured and give a true commitment to them so that if they are going to go for the true proposal, sitting on the knees and saying you regarding will you marry me, it's going to come in positive answer and they're going to get a victory to it. I see a person being surrounded by a lot of feminine energies too, but they are still choosing you over everyone else. This is the newness I'm seeing here. Coming here to the cards, the love messages we have. I will work hard in this. Now, this individual saying this working hard factors, I would say that yes, they will be working hard. The next card here we have, Leos, is I love you. Now, this I love you doesn't only necessarily mean that they love you physically or emotionally, whatever it is. It's all about loving you, loving your nature, loving how you are actually. They're not going to make you any changes into your life. Next card is accusing and suspicious. They're definitely suspicious about you. They want to know you more and more. I remember every detail of that day. Now, this is what is exactly I think this individual has. They are a true observant Leos and they remember everything. They're not a kind of a person who forgets silly things. They remember everything they've had with you. And the last card is so many things remind me of you. Now, this card exactly it feels and it tells me that huge things. There are a lot of things which definitely reminds them for you. I'm so sorry, Leos. There was some kind of problem happening, but I would try to complete this reading at least in the best possible manner and try to support it also by liking the reading and commenting here and try to subscribe to my channel, guys. So there are definitely a lot of things and stuffs happening with their life and they're just wanting to tell things to you. They are really a well-wisher of yours, Leos, and they want to be with you. With the cards which we have here is it's gonna be all right very soon. Now when we have this kind of a card, that just tells me that this individual still have a lot of hope, kind of a thing, I would say. They definitely have a huge hope, and I wish that this kind of a hopeful person, they live it very nicely and they play it very nicely. Next card is here. When I met you, it was like every wish I had come true at once. Second card is amazing again. It just tells me that this individual has a huge feelings for you people. Third card is your smile, your laugh, your appearance. How could I not feel? Now, this is what is amazing, Leos, and they just want you to be with them. And the last card being if you keep noticing the same thing over and over again, pay attention to it. Universe is sending you messages. So I feel this thing that Leos, that this reading is totally resonating with you people, and I hope you're just liking it. And guys, try to subscribe this reading and like and leave a comment also. Thank you everybody. See you people next time. Goodbye till then, guys.